Got Max his first gas-powered dirt bike, little Honda C50. It's got 3 speeds and he is loving it. It's a lot faster than the other little bike, and well, he's getting bigger, you know. But he just got on it and he's doing great. Switching gears, using the brakes. He's awesome. This is not a Christmas present. He earned this by doing good at school. You want to say hi to everyone?
Hi.
What do you think?
It's good.
Yeah? Are you digging it or what?
I'm good. I want this. Whoa.
It's not new or anything. I got a deal like you wouldn't believe on it, but it's awesome. Anyways, Merry Christmas, everyone.